Hey everyone, so I'm still working with the PBO pouring medium. However, I am using it with my paints. So today I have Nate's Stormy Weather. I did put 1 drop of their silicone in there, and that is the PBO silicone oil. It's a little thinner than the treadmill silicone. So I put 1 drop in this one. This is the Moody Blue Shimmer. I put 1 drop in there, and that's it. So we have 2 drops of silicone for this entire painting. I am going to put some black and white in there and some silver. Those do not have silicone. So let's see what happens. I'm going to do, I think I'll do 3 flip cups, but I want small ones. There they are. I couldn't find my smaller cups. My bad. I am not going to spray these cups. I want to see how many cells we get with 2 drops of silicone total. Alright, so we're going to start with some white. I'm going to follow that with Moody Blue. I do love the consistency of the PBO medium, and it's PEBEO. I will link in the description 2 places that you can purchase it. One is definitely my Amazon shop, and also Jerry's Artorama carries it. Put a little black there. I'm going to do Nate's Stormy Weather. So the 2 blues have the silicone. I'm just going to do a little bit more paint, guys, just to make sure we have enough. This medium does stretch really well. Dries glossy, so you get everything that you're looking for in a painting, but you should still varnish at least 1 coat to seal your work. Okay, some silver. Probably have too much paint, but that's okay. I need to use it up anyway. And some black. Oops, that was a little heavy there. Didn't mean to put that much in there. So we'll give it a good dose of Nate's. This Stormy Weather is a beautiful color. These are all in our group of paints. We have 25 colors now. If you're interested in getting them, you can get the information in our group, the Parage Posse, on Facebook, or you can email me at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. So I'm holding this up high because I want some of that to go down in. And it's been a long day. My voice is getting tired. Okay, let's see. So I'm just going to flip these over. Oh yeah, I'm going to have way too much paint. I already know that. Just give it a second to release from the bottom, and then we'll flip them. And I do have my camera the other way. I was doing some up-close lives, so I had my camera closer. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Just putting that on the corners to save us some time. So I can already see a couple of cells popping up. So let's get this tilted. Looks pretty dark. But I have a ton of paint on there. I've got plenty of room to play. But I will pick up my runoff and use it for skin so my paint doesn't really get wasted. It's pretty boring right now, isn't it? Let's torch it and see what happens. That's the one thing with the silicone, with this medium. You do not see a ton of cells when you pour, but they're under there, believe me. I'm sure you've seen the other videos where the cells just explode. So let's hit this. I'm not too hip on that line there. Maybe some cells will fix that. So I'm torching just a little bit to warm it up. And remember, 2 drops. That's all we used. Let's let it set 10 minutes. This is an inside joke, isn't it? Let's let it set 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I wouldn't say that it exploded, but it's doing something really crazy. Let me wipe the edges off, and I'm going to bring it up to you. And I did adjust the camera. I was a little out of focus, and I'm so sorry about that. But look at over here where my thumb's at. I'm going to bring it up close. Isn't that cool? It's just everywhere. Little tiny, 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 tiny cells. I only torched this until we took the camera down, you know, put it on pause. But I am so digging that right there. And I have a little bit, ugh, just dripped. I have a little bit going on in there, too. That's crazy. But I am totally loving this pouring medium. It's very expensive. Don't get me wrong, it's very expensive. And I don't put any water in my paint, so it's just straight up PBO. But I think for paintings that I'm going to sell, I think I'm going to take the plunge and go ahead and use this pouring medium just for my gallery stuff. So this painting is just crazy. I'm absolutely in love with this, and I cannot wait to resin it, because that's exactly how shiny it will be when I resin it. And that's how pretty much how shiny it'll be when it dries. But yeah, that's really cool. It's just so cool. It's just everywhere. That leopardy look. It's just so pretty. Yep, I'm loving it. The silver did amazing. And I think that's what it is the silver. And the Moody Blue has some gunmetal metallic in it. So I think it just reacted with the two together to give it that look. It's just so cool. But check out all the links below. If you're interested in getting our paints, just email me, Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com. And I will give you all the information in that email. Join our group, the Parage Posse on Facebook. All that information is in there as well. It's a great place to hang out. If you're just starting out, you can learn a lot. We have tons of files that you can go through to learn the process. But we're always there to answer questions. Maria does a great job running the group for me when I'm not available, and everyone is so nice there. We don't have any bullies, so we don't tolerate bullies. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.